Something going on out there. Ooh, that's a big ass snowcat right there.
I've never seen a pond.
Never.
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know, but I hope it's coming our way.
They go to that house?
I smell gas.
Oh yeah.
Looks like we got an emergency vehicle came up. Never seen one of these snowcats before. It's a gas company because we're smelling gas. A lot of the houses around here are not occupied, and even the ones that are have problems with the gas. We've had about 7 houses either have explosions, fires because of gas mains. So we're smelling the gas, and these guys are here to probably dig it out.
Yeah, I don't think we're getting any plowed.
You can see how hard it is for them to even get down to the house. Oh, he just sunk up to his hip.